Hi everybody, this is Roxy and I am working on some December dailies that I'm making out of Christmas cards. So, right now we're getting a really bad thunderstorm. So like that, the power went out for about 2 seconds and came back on. And then it's just, I should show you. You can see it. It's just like a crazy downpour. See, that's coming off our neighbor's roof up there. Can you see? Anyways, so I'm scared. Not too much, just a little. Sheila's scared, my dog. So here's what I'm going to be doing. I gotta decorate my books. These are I made folios out of Christmas cards that my neighbor gave me, and then I used a Coptic, I modified a Coptic stitch binding method, and I'll have a video up after this. So, and I know I say this a couple times in that video, but the beauty of the Coptic stitch is that your pages fold flat. So they're really nice to journal in. A lot of people use the Coptic stitch for like sketch and sketch journals maybe, and different things. So here's this one. And they each have a file folder for a little tuck spot. And then I was going to leave the threads, but I think for having it at a craft sale, I had to kind of bind that up. Okay, now it's some of the rain's gone. Okay, and then I did this one. I love this card. And hopefully I did enough cards so that, this was on my Facebook and Instagram. I thought these were snowman heads, but they're snow globes. I don't even know what I was thinking. But I think I don't know what I was doing. I had snowman on my brain. But isn't that goofy? It's like, what did I think they were? They look more like those German military helmets. But anyways, I digress. So I've got to clean stuff up, like put something here, wash here, whatever. Cover that. Put in some fun stuff, stickers, letters, or numbers. There's that one. I love this cover too. I did distress all the corners too, because they're gonna get worn a bit. And you can do any sizes you want. One book I really went crazy with the sizes, and I like it, but I think I would do it differently next time. And then I already covered some pages with, like this is from a Christmas book I have. When I go to garage sales, and everybody's got Christmas stuff out, right? If there's books, I kind of take a look at it if there's, especially books that have kind of stuff like this, like little tidbits of Christmas and cool photos or pictures. I buy those all the time. This is cut out from another Christmas book I had. Good baby Jesus. And this is, yeah, that was from that same book. This binding. Here's the binding for this one. This is all Seven Gypsies, old Seven Gypsies gaffer tape. And I kept it. I bet I've had it 10 years. Never used it because it was in my little hoard vault. And I thought I better use it because, you know, it's not going to be any good. Well, it's not, it's barely sticky. You'll see in my video. Here's from another book. This was a Christmas Cup of Tea book. So, you know, you can get them for like $1 at a garage sale. It's another book. See, I wish I would have brought this down a little bit, but I wanted that to show. So what I really should have done was brought this down, but that's all right. There's baby Jesus being born, and another. And then look at, isn't that a great card? That's from another book. I think this was more of a storybook of Christmas. And then this one. These were cards. Somebody gave me boxes of Christmas cards. And of course I only kept a few and then passed them to other people. And I wish I would have kept all these, because they're such a cool card. But I didn't. This one I just finished the binding this morning, so it's a little, it hasn't been looked at yet. Gotta have a Charlie Brown. There's my upside down snowman. Silly. I love these dogs. I go sleeping. I'll probably put washi, because see where the glue just kind of covers stuff up. And I didn't, there's baby Jesus getting born. I didn't care which way the cards were going. For instance, this one, that doesn't matter to me. So there's the books, and now I gotta get crack-a-whack and decorate them. So this is my first one, and I'm just using it kind of as my prototype. Because what I'll do is fill it all in and then pretend that I'm using it as my December daily. That's my plan. Doesn't mean that I'm going to have time to do it. So now, where's the stuff I had? Where did I put it? There. This was another book I had, and I cut these out last year and then scanned them all. They're just like kind of sayings and photos of Christmas. So I thought these would be kind of cute to kind of use as pictures. I love that. That's me. Me at Christmas. Look at all my prezzies. Here's me with Santa. Here's my first Christmas. No, they're really not me. Obviously, you know. These are so, look at them. Jeez. Oh no, look at this. Here's me last year. Oh, this was when I was working at Macy's for the Christmas holiday. Right there in the front. That's my mom. Oh gosh. There's sixlets. There's 4 here and 2 up there. What do they call septuplets? These big mouths. Alright, so anyways, I won't go through all those. Alright, so here I go. Here I go again. Pretty. So I think I'll do these last. I have a bag of stuff. Like some old pink paisley snowflakes. I'm literally going to, that'd be great for covers. Some cat scrappiness middies. I am going to, where did I get these? Yeah, Michael's. I'm seriously, I'm going to go through my stash because otherwise it's never going to get used. Then I've got some rub-ons, letters. I know I've got a bunch of numbers somewhere and I can't find them now. See, this is typical. It's like I can't use the last two because it's making memories. I used to love their stuff. I miss them. These are too cool. Afraid to use those two. That's from October Afternoon. I think that is too. These are cool. Look how cool those are. That'd be cool for some of the older ones. Ugh, see? So I think, what's in here? Oh, I stamped out like sentiments and stuff for Christmas. Alright, so I'm going to do words here. That would be more for, well, I could use them. I'm going to use that. That's so pretty. I'll definitely use these. And those. Not these. Maybe one of those. Let's keep one. And then for sure, what's this? Oh, that's making memories. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Maybe I'll do these for tags, but I could use them for the numbers. Oh, making memories. So probably this will be last because this will be on the cover. I think. Because I don't want to get too fat inside. Alright. So I just pulled that all out. Okay, so I just pulled all this out to put it back in. Because I think I'm going to grab a different bag of stuff. And I'll be back.